Ours we know, right?
Not like that.
How was it?
Very nice. I'm excited.
Finally.
I am fully charged.
Finally we finished. So we have reached and see these people are running like they are still running. We already finished. No, just like some they like want like some photo or something. But Mysore Palace, one hell of a journey. Morning sprinted 33 kilometer. We finished in around 3.5 hours in middle of the sun, and also that was amazing. And you're just chilling out over here. Hello, Nassim Ansari, I suppose I'm pronouncing it right. And others who are watching, this is Mysore Palace. We started from Vidhana Sauda and we reached here, and it's amazing. And just so everyone is chilling, and like we finished, and like it's I'll introduce one by one. It's Subbu, like he drove half of the way, and it's an empty bottle. Almost taking revenge from me. Suraj, he led in a very good way. I'm proud of you. Seriously, I mean I cannot put like in words, but just you were there, and then I was like, वो थोड़ा निश्चिंत था. I mean like it's okay. Suraj is there. Other Simadi is there. Rudra bhai just came from Bangalore. Lot of people came from Bangalore. Lot of people joined from Mysore. आप बेंगलोर से कब पहुंचे यहाँ पे?
मैं पहुंचा भाई 11
भाई यहाँ पे
आप लोगों से
मिलने के लिए. He just came to meet us and see us and see us finish strong.
इसमें जो भी रनर्स है
English थोड़ा सा
इंग्लिश हाउ टू से
थोड़ा सा आप बोलो. मैंने आप बोलो ना, हिंदी में बोलो.
मैं हिंदी में
यस.
हाँ इसमें जो भी रनर्स हैं दिल्ली वाले में दिल वाले रनर्स हैं, मानना पड़ेगा भाई. सारे लोग जो ट्रेनिंग करते हैं, कोच के अंडर में भागते हैं, लोगों से सीख के भागते हैं, स्ट्रैटेजी होती है. इनका कोई स्ट्रैटेजी नहीं था, और जो भी इनने किया ना, माइंड ब्लोइंग. पूरा दिल दिमाग सब जीत लिया इन लोगों ने. कुछ भी कर सकते हैं भाई ये लोग.
धन्यवाद. लाइक वी फिनिश्ड कितना था 128 रनर्स.
सारे लोग मेन सबसे बड़ी बात क्या है कि यू कैन सी एवरीबॉडी.
हेलो अदनान, हेलो कुणाल, अनीश,
एवरीबॉडी स्माइलिंग.
यशोविद, PB Mitra sir, hello sir, Anish Kumar Singh. So what we were doing, some of you were following all the updates, but we started from Vidhana Sauda and we finished here strong, hour back. And if you can see, like it's Mysore Palace, a big this thing, and running in the morning and in the sun, and it was very it was in morning, and it just very crazy. And like we sprinted 2 kilometers somehow, like we finished last 33 kilometers in 3.5 hours
33
in sun.
was seriously
And in sun.
insane.
But so yeah, all like everyone is chilling, and we just it's a big accomplishment for the, I guess, the year, and it will be a memorable journey for everyone. And I'm very grateful that
And we'll do
very tired. I have not slept in 5 days, not celebrated New Year.
5 days.
Full on. Someone asked like your face, please. I was covering everyone. So yes, I am talking, and so group was started
Someone
around 2
My
years.
name is Rudra.
So yeah, we are here and we are pink because equality na, so just blue and pink poster. But yeah, it's a very big accomplishment, and hello Anish, and yeah, it's a big accomplishment. Not slept in like around 5 days, full on planning, full New Year, everything, and really happy that we were able to. Nice looking, so sweet. I am very like tired and just I do not know, like we'll just get into bus and we'll just sleep. We have not we didn't eat anything, and we didn't like, we are just going full on in sun. We just wanted to finish strong. And the biggest part is 148 kilometers we covered. Full Facebook live we did, like for every stretch, every runners, middle of the night, morning, evening, daytime, every time you can just scroll back and full like this thing is there. From all the location we shared, what kilometer mark, all this thing, and yeah, like it was amazing. It was an amazing feat, and none of the runner got injured. We were running, we had a vehicle, and that was on the trail full night. It was on the trail, like if runners are running, then it would be very slow speed, like just following, so the traffic does not affect them and they can go safe, and we can end up strong. That thing, watching from Bangladesh. Hello, Emma Vijay sir, and thanks for like sending so much love. No one person can do this alone. It's a full team, and it's just everyone is watching. Hello, Gucci, how are you? And we wish I know you are joining for BMF, and we wish like you join us for some crazy initiative like this. Hello, Nigonda Patil, sir. I guess I'm pronouncing the name right. So yes, it was crazy feat, and lot of people. We raised funds. We didn't wanted to put watching for India, from India. It's good, like good to have you here. Lot of people are there, and thanks for all the support, all the love. See, if I would just want to say one thing that. It's nothing is impossible. It's just if you have a bonding with people and trust with this thing, if you have a community strong enough, then anything is possible. We just trust each other and all this, so that makes it so much enjoyable, and this thing. But 148 kilometers relay, and people have done like 20 kilometers middle of night, nowhere. One special slot was there where 6 girls, middle of the night, they were leading full this stretch of at least like 6 kilometers. 6 girls, they did the full stretch, and that was very special one, because see, girls, we say like night is not safe for you guys, and it's for guys, and guys can go out. Even if someone has to do the party and all, it would be like na raat se pehle aa jana, that kind of thing na. So we made sure like gender equality was a cause, and we made sure that it is not just mentioned in the poster that oh, gender equality, we are running Mysore, just not for the name and sake of this, but it was truly implemented. Full I shared like couple of videos, couple more are coming. Everyone's hello Suresh sir, very good to see you, and we miss you in Bangalore. And Momdeep Pal, Ankit, hello Ankit, how are you? Dr. Braj Kishore, Anish, yes, good to have you guys. But we just finished 2 hours back, around like 1.5 hours, 2 hours back, and we are just chilling here. We'll be leaving back to Bangalore in a while, in like around 20-30 minutes. Cake is there, celebration is there. I want to share like one more, like these people came from Bangalore just to see us. Mulli bro, an after event, and Datta sir, who's like a big inspiration for us, and he's 91 na?
Yeah.
91-year old, and he's 91 years young, and then he came from Bangalore. They both came from Bangalore for the last few kilometers, and it was amazing seeing them when we were struggling, really struggling in full daytime heat and sprinting like hell, because we didn't wanted to reach late, because lot of girls, lot of ladies are there with us, and they gave time in home. So we wanted to make sure that before evening they are reaching home. So that thing is there, and so and everyone is like here, and all like resting and all. So yes, so that was the cause, and that was the initiative, and I feel it was successfully implemented. Through lot of discussion, we were able to have lot of posts we did, lot of Facebook live interviews we did, what they feel, what people feel, what can change in the society, all these things. And yeah, especially the night slot where 6 girl runners were running. You can actually go back, and you can see the night slot. It was like Facebook live this thing, and I shared videos also. Wow, 91 years old, not old, young we can call, but a big inspiration for us also. So that thing, and I want to save it, like save this video. I do not know battery percentage, so I'll end this, and I'll start over the next video again. So I'll see you in the next, like I'll do the Facebook live again.